We need to start taking this guy to court, honestly, when I tell you this, because he is causing us health problems. And if you read the effects of this thing, that sound that you hear killed more people than it saved. And you need to start hearing about the consequences of this loud noise that he's making. And you need to go online and read about the effects of what this guy is doing to us, okay? And that sound killed more people than it saved. And we need to start suing this man for this problem, okay? Like, honestly, when I say this to you, right, he's doing this intentionally out of malicious hatred, okay? That he is not doing this because that is his job. He's doing this because he is intentionally trying to kill people. And if you ever read about this, that effect of using loud noises, it killed more people than it saved. And he's trying to kill people. I swear to you, he is.